In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drive more phone calls from Google Ads. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a focused search campaign set up to encourage prospects to call your business directly, with clear settings that keep your budget efficient and your leads relevant. Start by going to your Google Ads account. On the left-hand menu, click Campaigns to open your campaign list. Then click New Campaign, and if you're prompted again, click New Campaign once more to start from scratch. When you're asked to choose an objective, select Leads and click Continue. Choosing Leads tells Google that your main goal is to generate inquiries, and in this case, specifically phone calls. Next, choose Search as your campaign type. Search campaigns show your ads to people actively looking for what you offer, which is ideal for driving calls from high-intent users. When prompted to pick how you want to reach your goal, select Phone Calls. You'll see a field to enter your business phone number. Add the number where you want calls to be received. Make sure it's monitored during your business hours so you never miss a lead. Then, give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it later, and click Continue. You'll have the option to set a target cost per action, often called a target CPA. This is the average amount you're comfortable paying for each phone call conversion. If you have historical data or a clear budget per lead in mind, set it here to guide Google's bidding. If you're unsure, you can leave it for now and come back once you've gathered initial performance data. When you're ready, click Next. Now, select your location. Choose the regions where your customers are, whether that's a city, a set of counties, or a broader area. Precise targeting helps ensure calls come from people you can actually serve. Select your language to match your audience. Paste your website URL. This helps Google understand your business and can improve ad relevance. Then, enter your products or services. Use clear, specific terms that match what customers search for. Next, enter your keywords. Start with phrases that closely align with your services and show strong intent to call, and avoid overly broad terms that could waste budget. Keep an eye on suggestions Google provides and refine them to match your offerings and locations. From here, enter all necessary details and follow the prompts on your screen. Review your choices, make sure everything reflects your goals, and complete the setup so your campaign is ready to drive more phone calls.